Alright, this is our camp at Rainy River for sturgeon fishing. Tent, we got 3 of us in there, a couple of chairs, small grill, water jugs. Parked the boat right here. You can see the river behind us, so really convenient to camp here right at the launch. And that's the Rainy River we're looking at. So just getting ready in the morning and hit the water and hopefully get some sturgeon. So I'll show off the rigs we use here for sturgeon fishing. Got a couple king cat rods in there, and we like to river fish, so we got catfish rods which work really well for sturgeon. So this is my setup here, and we got a really simple rig. You got about a 3-ounce weight. You do about a foot of line, and then we're using circle hooks. This is, I think, a number 5 size-wise. Anything from about a 4 to a 6 is good. Otherwise, you're getting oversized. And if you keep it a little bit smaller, then you also pick up the suckers, red horse, occasional walleye. And then we use about a 50-pound braided line. Nice and strong.
Have a little, artificial as a bottom after you put the, put your worms on, and then put a little piece on or something.
Guess I'll be the first.
But it's a nice day. What are we reading? 40.
I guess I'm gonna go back and out.
48 or something in the water. So it'll go in the water.
First fish of the
First fish. Yeah.
Red
Monster. All right. We got one.
Got our neighbors catching a nice fish
hopefully.
here.
Can we see this one come up?
Yeah, look, I saw bait too. Well, I'm glad I caught a fish.
They're
The
cranking.
largest too, right?
Yeah,
What was yours?
yep, you got biggest so
18?
far. 17, just over 17.
Yeah, Paul's the biggest sucker.
Now I am. Now you can say it.
I'm getting some taps there, it looks like, huh? Maybe?
Probably.
I saw the head.
It looks like a sturgeon head.
Definitely looked like a sturgeon. Not even a white sucker.
They do exist.
Yep. Come on. It's right there. Come on. Get that net ready. Come on. Drag it in. It's a shark. Get it? No.
He dove.
Yeah, they're good at avoiding nets, that's for sure. Now he's got it.
Come on. Come on.
In the net. Nice. Not a monster, but a good one.
Yeah,
Yep.
they do exist.
I would take a 6-inch long sturgeon right now.
There's a
Sucker.
fish.
Is that a
fish
white
of the
sucker?
day.
Yeah, first of the
a red
day.
horse? That's
Not a red horse.
That's a sucker that time.
Not a red horse.
Yeah, yesterday was all a red horse and a
And
rock bass. There we go. Yeah, now we
So
got
you're
a
saying these
sucker.
have a softer mouth?
I don't
Usually the white.
Yeah, I mean
little
that one's
bigger
small, so you could probably just bring them in. But yeah, the big ones when they're heavy
Okay.
tends to rip their mouth if you just haul them in. So I like to net them. But fishing Rainy River for sturgeon.
There he goes. I can
Lost
still see him.
him.
Yep, I lost him.
Counts.
He got the bait.
Got him out of the water-ish.
Close enough for me.
Hey, that's a new type of fish.
Yeah, another
With
type.
a Actual,
At least 3 different types of fish.
an actual sucker. Probably a white.
But yeah, I
sucker.
can feel.
Put them back.
There
Aren't you
I see
supposed?
him.
Aren't you supposed? What do you think you got on there, Owen?
We got a sturgeon.
Might have a sturgeon.
We hit our 310 ratio.
There we go.
I can't see him yet or anything.
No, he's gonna
And the sun's out that way, Paul.
Pretty cool.
How you doing?
I'm doing good.
Yeah, I'm looking into the sun here.
What time is it?
Oh, that's a good question. I've got 7:50.
7:50. Fish o'clock.
Fish o'clock.
Perfect time for it.
Paul, why don't I get over there and then I maybe won't be looking as much into the sun.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Tail slaps. Oh no. Oh.
Yeah, don't you hate that?
Yeah. And I got them on red horse and crawlers, what I was using for bait. So yeah, you just throw out a blob of night crawlers is usually all it takes. And we're using like catfish gear, so it's sturdy rod and 50-pound braid. Let's go on your way though. Let's switch spots here.
Oh, go right ahead. I'm stepping out of the way here.
Yeah, when he hits with his tail, it gives you just a second of slack.
Yeah, and you feel
you're
like,
scared
oh
you lose
no. Yeah. Hard to know what to aim at when I'm aiming at the water.
Drag up a hair, I didn't have it super tight.
There was a surface anyway, a little bit.
Yep. Yeah, if you can fight them at the surface, it's better because then they don't get as much power. But they like
Okay.
to dive, especially next to the
You
boat.
think he's gonna
Yeah, let me
let's see. Let's see if he's ready or not. You don't have to force him. Yes. I'll get out of your way.
Yeah.
I don't want to.
He's heading down. Yeah. Paul, do you need me out of the way?
No, he's right there.
I see him. I see him in the net.
Yeah.
In the net.
Get him in the boat.
Yeah, let's do that too.
Officially landed a sturgeon.
There, he might be in the range.
Yeah.
Might be your tag.
Close to the slot. Yeah. You need 45 to 50 inch is legal to keep.
Be careful with him now.
Or over
Don't throw him
75.
over the side or anything here. They just hook right in the little lip,
Yeah,
right?
They got a
Yep.
sucker mouth, and then that's the size of the hook compared to the fish, you know. So it's not a real big. Usually about a 4 to a 6 size circle hook is all you need.
Yeah.
But yeah, let's get a length on them.
Yeah. Let me sit down out of the way. Paul, can you help him measure here?
Yeah, I can move his net for one.
If I can step up
Yeah.
a bit.
Keep him low. All right. What's our range?
Nose is. Oh, I'm
Oh,
trying to get him straight.
I'm gonna say he's
too.
under 45.
Yeah, he's.
40.
Oops, and he keeps.
You gotta
I'd say
43.
43, maybe 43 and a half.
And the slot is what?
45, yeah.
45.
We've caught.
That's
quite
the
a few.
closest we've gotten
have
to-
Never caught in a slot.
Hold him up
but-
into the sun.
Yeah.
but yeah. That's
So,
a nice one.
yeah, I got
I'll
you
take
guys
that
in
all
there.
day.
Yeah, that's a nice sized fish there.
Nice sturgeon.
Yeah. 43 incher.
Yeah.
Yeah, can see his mouth going
Let's
there.
have it. There we go. That's a good pick.
And make sure I don't see a tag.
No
on him.
tag on him.
Yeah, you see, look at his tail. You can see.
I see line
Line
marks.
marks on
Yeah,
It's caught earlier today.
yeah.
But, yeah. All right,
Yeah,
can
there
see
you go.
back.
Owen got the first one
And he's gone.
and gone. Okay.
Here's the rig. So, got a 3-ounce pyramid weight. You got about a foot of line. And I got a night crawler on with a hunk of red horse. And fishing just like a catfish, so just sit and wait. And they can hit fairly light before they just take it. So you want some suckers and other things, but I just sit and wait and hopefully it'll come by and take your bait. Definitely peel and drag.
Yeah, I was like I could turn it up a bit, but when he's that close to the boat, I'm worried.
Yep.
So I'm gonna leave it for now.
Yep.
So yeah, I got a decent amount of tension on him.
Yeah, now he's going upriver. Usually
Yeah.
they just stay downriver.
I hope he's not going by the anchor.
Right. I'm gonna get that light out of the way maybe so you can see better.
I got a lot of pressure on him, that's for sure. Ooh.
Now he's running.
It's definitely pulling the boat around.
Yeah,
Got a
we're
big
spinning
turn.
pretty good here. Let's see how far we're moving compared to shore.
We're not anchored directly the other way for now. It's good. I'm gonna give this a click or two up again. Just one actually. That's good.
Yep.
Little bigger than you thought.
Well, he came in. He was coming in pretty quick, I guess. On the.
Yeah, when they swim towards you, it's hard to tell.
Oh, yeah. Oh, he's going all sorts of directions.
I mean, if you want, we can pull anchor. That's up to you. But then,
I don't know yet.
yeah.
Yeah, because, yeah,
We're
during
spun
the
around.
day there was people everywhere. Now that it's the sturgeon hour, everyone went in, so. Because, yeah, we've found it's best. Generally about sunset and the next hour after tends to be when we get the most bites. But most people go in by then.
Did you raise the motor at all?
No, do you want me to?
I'm just afraid.
Yeah, I'll raise it.
Might as well put it up a bit.
Yep, no reason not to.
All right, that should be good. You're up.
You're up.
And he hasn't surfaced yet.
Going on.
You can hear him taking drag. Yeah, I don't think he's ready to come in yet. We got him at the surface, getting him in the
I
net.
see
Trying to
it.
get him in. Trying to get him in, but he's not
No, he's
dropping.
not in yet.
I can't get him in the net. He's not dropping
Hang
in.
on. I'll bring him closer.
Your net's upside
The
down.
net is,
You gotta flip it over.
the net's got to be the other way.
Just check it.
Turn it again.
I
There
can't
you
get the
go.
net.
There
Okay,
you go.
here.
Right there.
Oops. Got to get him upstream a little bit.
I'm
Just
not
a little.
controlling him a whole lot,
Yeah.
for the record.
Oop, I'm waiting. I'm waiting until you get him up
Right
a little
here.
further forward.
Oh.
Let him loose. There you go. In the net.
net.
In the net.
Oh, man.
He's in the
In the
net.
net. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
He's in the boat.
Yeah, that guy's a
That's
good one.
Good sized one.
That's a nice sturgeon.
Oh, wow. My wrist is starting to get sore.
You can feel it already?
Well, just the angle.
Yeah,
'Cause
that's
to
what we're
hold
here
my
for.
rod in a certain way.
That's why you come to Rainy River, right there.
That's a good one. Okay, let me get in here. Should I get this chair out of here? No, Becky.
Nice.
Gotta get out of everyone's way so they got room.
Right in the front. Look at that. Get that on video.
Oh, the mouth.
Trying to get the chair out of the way and stuff.
Not as large as yours.
Well, bigger than the one I caught today. Not as big as the one I speared. But yeah, they got a sucker mouth. But yeah, the hook compared to the mouth size is not that big.
I'm not like this.
And then they got the barbels up front, you can see there.
Way after.
Yeah, well, we can move the net too.
I just want my hook out of it.
Yeah, that's fine.
Then I.
Oh, yeah.
I think it's easier up that way.
Nice
Touch his
size
head right up.
sturgeon.
Is that up to the edge? Yeah.
Get his nose up so we can get a good size on him.
Oops.
Alright, his nose
We're
is
getting
pressed,
close.
The board is pressed.
Bend the
What
tail
do we got?
down.
I can't read it.
54.
54. That's what it looks like. Yep.
54. Now open the Tupperware right there, Paul. Yeah, I got the soft tape. Get a girth on them.
Measure around 54 inches.
Because if you get a length and a girth, the DNR will give you weight estimates and age estimates on them.
Right here.
Yeah, like right behind his front fins, or the thickest part of them is what you want to measure.
Let's see. It's about 20.
20
All right,
inches?
54 inches long, 20-inch girth.
Okay. Nice fish.
Yep,
Really nice.
yep,
I'm gonna want somebody to
Take a picture?
yeah.
on my phone without dropping in the water, preferably. As
Yeah.
well.
This guy,
Yeah, I'm gonna
Got a spot there.
lamprey probably got him.
hands off this.
And you don't see a tag on them. Yeah, I've never seen one with a tag, but if they got a tag, the DNR wants you to tell them the length and girth.
You just push
Just
button.
hit that button.
Alright, let me hold them up.
You want to shine the
Without getting them over the
This-
side.
How does a picture look?
Pretty good, but I want to stand up.
He's grunting.
Yeah.
Heard him.
Alright. Can go back whenever you're ready.
Okay, Paul, give me a look. Okay, I think so. Oh, throw the phone with it?
There he goes.
Nice
Sturgeon
fish.
number 2 of the day. Yeah. Got another sturgeon, probably, I don't know, 10 minutes after Paul landed his.
Yeah, it's a
You
little
should shine the light
after,
on
it's
Owen
like
a little
10,
bit. I
20.
can't see anything.
10.
Not on his face though, probably.
Well, a little
Oh,
bit
I
we
don't
can.
care.
Okay.
That one's
right.
not that bright.
But he's right over here now.
Yeah, they're switching sides.
Oh,
He's coming around.
oh, the anchor's there. Do you want to pull anchor on this fish?
No, not at the moment.
Okay. Tell me where the,
Yeah, he surfaced and splashed for about 5 seconds straight.
Okay.
Gonna raise the motor.
yeah.
I
And
can
then
see
probably
Owen.
grab the
This
net.
light isn't bothering your face.
Okay, you
Okay.
thinking you're going to have him pretty quick
Just
here?
making sure.
Well, he's kind of straight down. I think he'll come up soon.
Okay, motor's all the way up here, I guess.
Yeah, I think he's gonna come fairly soon. Now he's running out of spite. But I said he was gonna come. Digging now.
No.
Yeah, I can't gain anything.
All right, you're coming around that side. You coming up?
No.
Okay.
Taking mine a little bit.
The light is on, right? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, they're liking the fish this time, it seems. Rather
Okay.
than the plain crawlers.
Yeah, that's what
Yeah.
I hooked mine on.
But last time I tried fish, I don't think I caught anything.
Okay.
Sucker or sturgeon or anything.
Yeah.
It's going under the boat.
Yeah.
Just trying to make it to Canada.
Yeah.
But he's safe over there. You're not supposed to fish sturgeon on the Canadian side. Yeah, he's straight under the boat, going that way.
Well,
Just gotta wear him out.
step around. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, you're spinning the boat around. Or he is. Yeah, we're going for a spin here. Here's the line. I don't even see the line. Oh, there it is. Okay. Up that way.
Yeah, this is why you come to Rainy River in the spring.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's cold, sometimes it's rainy, but probably gonna end up catching a sturgeon.
Oh, I see
There's
it.
a fish.
Yep, there's a fish.
You got the net?
I do have the net.
Over here.
I gotta keep it back where I can see. There he is.
Yeah.
Can you see him, Paul? Or did you see him?
Yeah, I saw him.
Yeah.
Get him up here. There's my weight.
There he is.
Yeah, he's under the boat. He's not
Right
ready
on
to
the
come
side.
quite up quite yet.
Whenever you try to film the water, it's like just filming
Yeah.
a black abyss.
Up here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
Okay.
back up over here
I
again.
need light on there.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, they like
He's
to
running.
They like to just dig once you get
Yeah,
them boat
he starts
side.
running. You can just feel it or hear it.
There he's going again. Yeah, this
Right
is
under
why
the-
you need a rod that's got backbone and flex.
Yeah.
Because I've heard of people take ones that are too just
Too-
stiff,
too
they'll
stiff?
snap. You
Okay.
need them to be able to bend too.
There, yeah. Something get surface a little bit.
There he is.
There he is. There he is.
I can't see him on the camera, but
There he is.
We
Not
will-
ready yet.
he's almost ready.
Yeah, he's getting close.
Here we go.
Yeah, you get behind him and then I'll try and just let him.
Just a minute. I gotta get clear of this thing.
Yeah, you're on the.
Ooh,
Hold on. Oh, come
he's
up.
going a little deep.
Bring him up.
There you go. Can you get him?
Oh, sorry, I'm not getting. There we go.
Right there. Right there. You got him. You got him.
Boom, he's in the
We
net.
have a fish.
Ooh. Ooh. What was that?
Can you grab the other side? Yeah. Okay, there we go. Okay. He's a swashing. Okay.
That's a good one. That's a
Yep.
good fish.
So I can get the
Yeah,
hook on
watch
it. Alright, I need to see your mouth, buddy.
There we go. Right on the lip.
Yeah, those circles do a good
There we
job.
go. Yeah, okay. Got the... Okay.
There we go.
Okay. And I want to get to that chair. Let me walk through here. Owen.
No, I think I'll fit between it though.
Well, I can, yeah.
Yeah, you probably will.
Okay, let me move that cooler.
Oh, yeah.
Alright.
Alright, let's. There we go. Push him up.
Get his nose on. He is.
What are we calling
Like,
it?
it's
Oops.
legit.
What's that number?
Dead at.
It's too.
Just
you
under
have too much
50.
light on it for my camera.
Just under 50. No.
Yeah.
No.
right?
What number is
Yeah,
that?
that's 50.
That's 50. So
That's a legal fish.
it's your legal
Quarter
fish.
inch
There he
legal.
is.
First,
He's all, no,
first
perfect.
slot I've ever caught.
Couldn't have been any longer. It's a legal fish. It's tag.
Yeah.
You want to hold him up for your video?
Yeah, I'm just looking, seeing if he has a tag. Not that I see.
There's Owen's tag fish.
As big as you can get.
Yeah, it was just under 50 inch.
Very nice.
Here, let me
fish.
back up a
Yeah.
notch. Let me just step off the back of the boat quick.
Yeah.
Oh, here, let me help.
No,
just-
it was
just
enough.
Watch out, Paul. Oh, and you don't want to fall over and lose him.
Hold him up high a bit.
Oh, yeah, that's not easy. Owen,
Don't. Drop him in. Okay. All right.